season. It's hoodie season. Don't get it mad when your girl a diaper. It's hoodie season. It's hoodie season. It's hoodie. It's hoodie. It's hoodie season.
Blacked Out Kicks family, we back, another banger. Yes. Yo, shout out to Nike for overproduction. Shout out to Nike for the late shipments. Shout out to all that, cause yo, we got one. Shout out to Nike for all the late delays. And like my boy Bull say, delayed W. Yes, we got a delayed W in the building. Y'all gonna love these. Y'all gonna love these right here. Shout out to Concepts for always the quick shipments, man. Shout out to Concepts for the quick shipment. Put the order in, it was like there. Blinked and they was like there. Like, yes, sir. Shout out to Concepts. So, like I said before, these shoes, the link will be in the description. If you hit the top link, that is my eBay selling page. And if you looking to buy shoes that you've seen on here on previous videos and different stuff like that, or you've looked on my Instagram, you've seen a post, 9 times out of 10, if I'm selling them, they're sitting on there. So if it's some shoes that you've seen that's rare, that you haven't seen on nobody else's page, and you like, oh man, I need to get those, 9 times out of 10, if I want to sell them, they're going to be on there. So check it often. I'm trying to put shoes on there every week. So yeah, yacht gang. So if you got small feet, sorry for you. I'm not going to have nothing for you. But hey, that ain't what we came here for. We came here for y'all to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Make sure you tell your friends, tell your aunties, tell your uncles, tell your nieces, tell your nephews, all them good people, your son, your daughter. Hey, make sure you hit that notification bell, though, when you subscribe. It don't count unless you hit the notification bell. Well, it don't count. I'm just keeping it 100 with you. We're on the road to 1,500. Let's go. I know y'all there. I know y'all supporting me. Hey, I told y'all before in the last couple of videos, we transitioning. We're going to be doing some lifestyle, some hats, some clothes. We're just going to be kind of do it all. We're going to put it out here. We're just going to go all out for y'all and show y'all, hey, big fella gang, BFG, big fella gang. I'm here to rep for y'all. I'm here for y'all. And the stuff I get and the stuff I find, I'm definitely going to put y'all on game to it. So, hey, I know Jordan Craig have a bunch of stuff, but it's more stuff than just Jordan Craig that we can cop. And we going to look good doing it. It's our season, hoodie, sweater season, all that good stuff. It's dressing season. It's fall weather. Yo, I'm here for it. It's hoodie and short season. Yes, I'm here for it. I'm all that. Let's go. So if you want some tips, some all that stuff, hit me in the comments. Hit me in on my IG, all that stuff. It's all in the description. So go to the description. It's always there. Let's get into these shoes because I know that's what y'all came for. I know y'all tired of me talking. So let's get into them. Let's unbox these boys. Yo. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, daddy. Yeah, baby. Only one thing you need to remember. Ain't nobody crying in the club. Hey. No crying in the club. You know it wasn't work. What did he say? What these is? What these is? Nike Air Max 1. Let's go. PRM. Let's go. Y'all ready to see these, man? Y'all ready for these, man? These right here is going to be some of the crazy. These, I swear. I missed out on some of the Air Maxes, and I ain't mad at them that I missed out on them. It's fine. It is what it is. I can live with that. Like I said, nowadays shoes are easy to obtain. Well, let's say that, I'll take that back. You can obtain them. They may not be easy, but you can obtain them with all the outlets and the social media and stuff like that. Shoes are easy to obtain. What is tough is making sure the shoes are real. So if you got some reputable sites, some reputable people, stick with them until the wheels fall off. Try to link with them to get you real stuff. And it's different sites out here that can definitely check it to see if it's real. But these right here, I seen these. I've been chasing them since they dropped. I wasn't able to get them when they dropped, so I waited, and Lord behold, they popped up again. And let's go. Let's go. Bam, bam, bam. Y'all, oh my God. Are y'all ready for these? Y'all ready for these? Y'all ready for this? Dum, 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 dum. Nah. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Yes, yes, yes. Y'all ready for these boys here? Bam, 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 bam. This is the Air Max Denim. Yes, sir. I'm going to call it the Canadian Tuxedo. That's what we're going to call it. Yo, these colors on this blues go hard. These blues go stupid, man. Woo-wee. Low-key, I might do some custom work on these. Low-key, I might do some custom work on these. Look at these. Take a look at these here, man. These are clean. I'm digging the light blue jean, the contrast with that dark blue jean with that deep royal blue on the swoosh and then the inside liner. Man, oh man, yes. And then I like the age look they got on the bottom, just to give you that look like these men wore, man. And that look. And y'all know I'm a sucker for gun bottom or whatever the crater, how they got it on, crater looking on. I'm a sucker for all that, bro. Like, I like the cream laces. I might change the laces out on these. I'm not sure. But yeah. These are the Nike Air Max 1 denims, man. Denims. Yes. I don't know. I got a pair of ASIC denims that I think go harder than these, but I like this blue on these. Man, these go dumb. I don't even know if y'all understand how crazy these go. I don't know if the camera do these justice. Like, this is definitely a different shoe, and like I said before, y'all know I'm always going for something different that you ain't gonna see everywhere, man. I'm definitely going for something different. Yo, these are clean, and it's like this is a suede. This is such a, man, this suede this feels great on here, man. I don't know what they was. I would have did more blue jean on this. I would have did a darker denim and a lighter denim and just contrast that, so that way you can get a denim jacket off with it or whatever you want to do. We definitely gonna rock these. We definitely gonna get some photos in these, and we definitely gonna keep y'all up to date. So if y'all rocking with these and y'all liking these, do me a favor, like I said before early in the video, hit that subscribe button. Yo, it's only one way we going, and we gonna keep rising. Like I said, we on the road to 1,500. Let's help me reach that milestone. Hit that subscribe button, yo. Let me know y'all watching. Leave a comment, and also leave a like. But yo, yeah, these are the Nike Air Max denims. I think they're a dope shoe. Like I said, we might do a custom on these, man. I might just do a custom on these. I'm not sure yet. If y'all think I should, hey, leave a comment. I'm gonna put a poll in the community. Hey, definitely let me know, should I do a custom on these. But this your boy Blacked Out Kicks coming to you with another video. And hey, do me a favor. Do me a favor. Stay blessed. Be blessed. Hello. Always find a way to get your blessings. Yo, we out.